behind the Hall of Truth.
DJ
Was the devil's symbols, and you let them loose.
So I can't let him down. Can't do it. It's not even my thought. The anticipation of the battles to be fought with the pen and the sword. Jesus said, carry your cross, so there'll be a cross, of course. I don't mean to undermine the Islamic cause, but I hold down minds with no pause. I want to bring everybody to God, expose the frauds, the bankers and the scum, the psychiatrists that ran with them, the consultants for pharmaceutical companies, a bunch of punks with Playboy bunnies, with drug money. Look, I'ma tell you the truth and spit it how they do. I understand how psychos think. The same queers be wearing pink when no one's looking. When they see me, they start shaking. Mecca has the potential to be making bacon. But look, I'ma take it to a whole nother level. Dimensional thinking to keep you out of trouble. So fight with your pen and do what you're supposed to do. You think they haven't done it before? They have, and they'll do it again too. Don't let them down. Plot it out and be wise and surgical. Mathematical, calculate. My formula is an equation too. Don't let it equate to your fate. Understand how they're trying to manipulate your conscience using the environment. Fuck these motherfuckers. I meant it too when I said fuck Kissinger too. And fuck Cheney. Bitch ass motherfucker. He's manny. I'm going hard on the track. And fuck any Uncle Tom who's half black. Obama, don't become one of them too. Cause you know I'll call out you. End up playing you out too. Have you looking all stupid like George Bush do. You know Mecca, I don't accept no shorts. When it comes to my people, I take the game to the court. I take the war to their fort. You bitch ass niggas, I'm Starface without the snort. Up in the stars, tells my fucking story. The good guy wins and gets the glory. That's why I chose Heru and Ra too. It's the light side, we understand it. That's why they migrated to the up and right. And nigga, I'm upright. My flow's tight. I have the might of God without wearing the mitre. I'm fisherman, nigga, without having the web of a spider. The ancient symbol of wisdom, the owl. Why these cowardly serpents are foul, trying to catch a young bird's seed and eradicate it. But fuck them, I hate it. I'ma state it, remake it until it's right, spit off the top until it's tight. I use my third eye to correctly use the lens of God's might to have sight. You damn right, I'm right.